I'm a Patriot fan.
Really?
Well, I grew up in New England, so it's like, it's kind of in my blood, but I've been in Philly for 30 years. So, that's also in my blood because my kids are like fanatics.
The chalkboard setup, Dan.
Yeah, it's old school, definitely living our best analog life there. The whole thing up here has been there for like 3 years.
Really?
Yeah, we can't duplicate it ever. So it's like, we can't, don't erase the bird, for fear of exile into someplace, I guess. I don't know.
It's well done too. Work of art there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. Weibel, your background's a little different than what I'm used to as well.
Well, it's so funny. I would have preferred to be in front of my computer, but upstairs it's been a little bit of a craziness since we had the flu ripping through our house. But made the mistake of saying, yeah, I'll take the update now. Like I don't need to wait till tonight. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, there's like 14 minutes left, and it's
and then you figure out what the update breaks, because it inevitably breaks something.
Right. Exactly.